Hello, this is Kelly with Indiana Inker Plans. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a spread in my back planner for June 17th through the 23rd. And since the 20th was the first day of summer, I thought I would use this Be Kind kit from Craft Penguin Planner, along with some washies from Plannything and some Mamby sticks to write or to put summer across the center. So let's grab some wax paper so that we can put the letters out so that I can space them out the way I want to use them. And I'm going to grab these little Post-it arrows, line these up, put those on the back so that the pages won't move around while I'm trying to figure things out. Because invariably when you put your wax paper on top, your pages move around underneath, and it's hard to figure out what you're doing. So we'll take these out. And I'm going to use just these two colors. So I think I figured out that I need to start with the light, or with this turquoise color, because I can do that, one of those, and there's an M in each color and an E and an R in the colors that I need. So let's find the S's. Okay, so I got all of the letters pulled, and I was thinking I was going to put the first 4 letters over here and the other 2 over here, but that's not going to work. So how do I want to space them out? And I don't think I'm going to try and get them even. I think I'm going to angle them. So we'll just kind of stagger them through the we should move that in a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. It's fine. All right, that's pretty cool. I like that. Okay, so then I've got these 3 washies. So I don't know if I want to use... I think I want to use the yellow. Let's put it along the top and the bottom. Off now. Okay. hitting my light. And I now have washi cutters available in my shop. There's four different styles. This one just says, just playing with washi. So now let's see when I need boxes. I was going to do a baseball theme this week because between three of my grandsons, they had 4 games. So 2 of my older grandsons are on the same team, and then my youngest grandson had a couple of games as well. So I need boxes to mark those. And I've bought this kit a couple of times. So I've got some leftover sheets and some new sheets. And so let's see. I don't need a box for Monday. And I didn't pull any. I've got some of the small quotes in this book, or in this kit, but I don't have any bigger quotes, but we'll see if we really need any. Okay, so let's put, do I want those color boxes though? Let's see what other colors we have. Because I was going to put, in the sidebar, I had planned on putting this one for sure, and probably this one. Or maybe I should stick to just those two and these 2 colors. Or should I put this one in here so then I can bring in a 3rd color? Maybe I'll do that. So let's, okay, because I know I want this one over there. So do I want it the top, or do I think I like it at the bottom better. So we'll do that. And then I think I'll put this one or should I put, I don't like the glittery backgrounds, or it's the thing. But I don't know that I don't know about that one yet. Because we need something there, but we may end up just putting a quote there. Okay. So, but I do like that there. So let's go back to our boxes. I get so easily distracted sometimes. So do we want to use grid boxes or these boxes? I'm thinking these boxes, or a combination of. Let's use this one. And Craft Penguin Planner is always linked in my description. I really kind of need a bigger box but that's all right. I can just do 2 different boxes. So we'll put that one there. And then really need to decide what I'm going to put over here, so then I know if I can put some other boxes. I guess maybe I'll just go ahead and do this one, even though don't like the glittery background. It brings in some more color. So we'll do that. Okay, so then that gives me some more color options. That there. And Wednesday I don't need anything. Thursday I need a first day of summer sticker, and I didn't pull one out. Okay, So we'll leave that space alone for right there so that I can put a first day of summer sticker there. But I do need a couple of boxes. So let's do that box, and then I need let's do the small glittery one. Let's see, what do I need on Thursday? Oh, this was Thursday, not Wednesday. I didn't need anything on Wednesday. Got ahead of myself. Okay. I'll put that there and that there. And then Friday, I need a box. So we'll put it up here. Saturday, we'll put a box down here. And then Sunday, I've just got scripts that I can put in on Sunday. So let's trim this off a little bit, or trim that off. I guess we're not going to trim it off a little bit. We need to trim all of it off. So now let's find the quotes and put some of those in. And then we got these little bees that will scatter around. Those little bees are different than these. So this doesn't go with this set. Okay, goes with a different set apparently. Well, I guess this one goes with a different set too, but some of these we might be able to use. Let's see. Be kind always. Oh, I don't want to, I need a spot for that. I don't want be kind again over here. Okay, so I guess we're not going to use that one. But let's put, we have several of these bees. So let's put those up here. Okay, so I like that. So, let's see, kind words are like honey, sweet to the soul. So let's put that there. Kindness is a gift everyone can afford to give. Okay. Leave a little kindness wherever you go. Be yourself. Let's put that one there. Let's put that there. Then we've got a couple other bees. Let's kind of scatter those. And we got these honeycombs too. Let's take this bee up. Put the honeycomb down and put the bee right there. Now I get the first day of summer sticker for there. I think this one might be just about done. Put well, I don't know, I don't think I want to do that. Let's just put this, let's put that bee right there. Put that right there. Maybe I should have put them in between. Well, let's take these. I think I like them better intermingled with the word summer. Except for I don't have any more. Okay. I guess we need to take, we'll take this one and let's put it right there. We got a couple of these honeycombs. Can put that there. Put that there. Okay, that'll work. I think that's cute. Okay, well, I'm going to pause and see if I can find a first day of summer sticker, and then I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I found a Hello Summer sticker in my shop. So I used that and I moved a few of these around a little bit, so it's a little more balanced. So I think that will do it for this video. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.